Blue train, green train. Up comes the yellow sun. Thomas and Percy start their run. Thomas. Here you are, Percy. Thomas starts his run. Green train, Percy start their nighttime delivery. Just a little bit. Did my run to get almost done. Okay, Thomas. Now you can go. Thank you, sir. Turn your light off. It's very bright. What? Thomas? Still bright. Thomas delivered his at last. Oh, sorry. At daytime, Thomas delivered at work. Start best. Nighttime deliveries. Hello, Thomas. Annie? Just a further bit. We need Percy soon. I don't know. Why don't we run back? Train has never delivered. Ow! Thomas run to start his midnight run. He still got very obnoxious. Whoa, Annie, slow down. Whoa. You've got... Oh, Annie. Oh, sorry. Thomas was ready. The day is done. Oh. 3 puffs of steam. We're in the side tunnel. Just get to the other side. Very dark out here. Yes, we have to be the pilot, Thomas. We came out the other side. Run for the fight. Okay. Reefer for dive. Go. Blue of the rain on the stormy lightning. Right now, right back. Thomas was on his way. Blow up the eggs. Going for little cows. Happy to the stag. Go in. Thomas. Puff out, puff out, puff out. The shed is where Thomas can sleep. Percy was delivering mail trucks. Now it's Percy's turn. Just a little hand, Percy. You're fighting in the dark. Not again. Twip. I need to deliver my mail run. Don't you be late. Percy was... Hurry, early, very early. Percy, what are you doing? Come back. Percy went to do his jobs. Where should I wait? Percy steamed out. What? I found my mail trucks. Percy, wait. Percy. Nice and bright and early. Percy, where's your trucks? I delivered mail this morning. Deliver the sack. We did a very good job today. Just a little bit further. Where's Percy's mail trucks? I don't even know. Signing where I left them. Oh, I got to deliver the mail. Percy. Just a little bit. A little further. Percy was delivering his mail today, sitting on the water tower. He will be 10 and 4 in February. We're just waiting for their mail to pull out. Oh, God. Gordon, Edward, Henry, James were asleep. Now we can meet Thomas. Now. I'm just getting a wheel link. We're asleep. And we don't know. And the fire is drilled.
We can be late. But earlier this morning, and it removes me behind.
Hurry. Percy would deliver the mail. And we'll bring Percy home. Nice. Now I can go meet Thomas. Percy, careful, don't hit the signal. Okay. Roll the mail trucks. One blink of the eye. Next, the railway was dark. Percy liked doing it. I see the far view from back there. Percy. Whistle. Percy, see? Where I'm gonna drink my coffee. Percy didn't know where he hid his mail trucks left behind. The railway was still closed and Percy didn't look for it. Where did I hid my mail trucks before? I hid them then 6 months ago. Oh, that's the very sign. Percy went back to work. Run for the fright. Ready, Percy? 1, 2, 3. Back up. Percy came back in the morning. They went back. The shed is where Percy can sleep. Where is Percy? Should have been back by now. Oh, where did it? Wait, I didn't look. I was going and then now struggled on. Thomas went back to his sheds. You, Percy. We had delivered. We delivered as a drumph. We still rumph. What's our friend? We still can't find Percy. Last week he did. Here he comes. Oh. The sheds were closed. Percy came back as Thomas went to his wheel sleep. He fetched Percy and we met Thomas as he did. Thank you, Thomas. I'm really proud of you. You took everything today. Thank you, Percy. Well, his mail run was done. Thomas and Percy were dreamt about something new. Thank you, Thomas. Where did you like? Edward, Henry, and James, Gordon, Thomas, and Percy were dead. As the stars came to come out, it was already morning. Thomas, Percy, Gordon, Edward, Henry, and James dreamt about nothing. the few shed stores were open. Oh, Edward, wait. You can't wait, sir. See, everything... They all went to sleep. Gordon and Edward. It was almost time to be day for the last time.